Hey guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to use
Quicktime Player.
So if you guys wanna get a hold of Quicktime Player, you already have it built in your MacBook Pro or MacBook Air. So
This is MacBook Katrina, the latest version of Katrina right now. If you go to updates, and you can see what you have. We have Katrina 10.15.4, the latest version right now. So let's get started.
So if you want to get a hold of Quicktime Player, the easiest way is press Shift, Command, and 5. And now this comes up. On the left side, you have these are the
snapshots.
So you can, if you press this, you can snapshot this part. Like I can snapshot this part if I press capture. Now it's snapshotted like here, and you can even like do something with it. And I don't want to save it right now, so I'm gonna go back to Quicktime Player, Shift Command 5. So this is the window. You can capture this window, and in this part you can capture the entire screen. But here on the right side, this is record. You can record your entire screen, or you can record the selected portion. So if you want to record this part, I would just press record, and then you can record whatever you want. Okay, so and if you guys want the people to hear your voice, you want your viewers to hear your voice, and you have this microphone, and it's in options. You press options, and in the microphone section you have a built-in microphone. So use the built-in microphone. And this is safe too, because when you're done with the video, it goes wherever you want it to go, and there's a timer which you can set. I don't know why, and there are options. Show floating thumbnail, so it's gonna show this mouse cursor, and remember last selection, I don't know what that means, and show mouse clicks, because when I'm gonna press it, it's gonna show red circle around it. So now you guys done, and you guys can use Quicktime Player and have a fun time. You guys can record videos, do anything with it. So guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye. See you next time.